Come on guys, let's solve this nice exponential equation involving radical and irrational exponents together. If you are ready to solve this equation with me, let's go. So now this is our equation, and I'm going to walk you through step-by-step approach to solve this equation. So let's look at step 1. Express both sides with the same base. And 25 5 exponent 2. So now we are going to substitute 5 exponent half and 5 exponent 2 into the original equation being given to us. Let's do that. So now in step 2, equate the exponents. Since the bases are the same, we take off the bases. That is 5 and 5. To isolate the fraction here, we need to multiply both sides by 2 so that you can be able to take out this fraction, right? So let's do that. The next thing here is to keep both sides. So let's look at step 3. Clear the fractional exponent by cubing both sides of the equation. So we need to clear the fractional exponent here, which is 1/3. So by doing that, we need to multiply both sides here by 3. Let's do that. Our next stage here is to solve for x. Now, we want to do away with the square root here. So if we want to do away with the square root here, we need to square both sides, right? Let's do that. Value of x is equals 100. Simple, like, bye bye.